That is first thing, the conservative approach, that is by the means of night guard or occlusal splint, we say these things. So occlusal splint is nothing, this is designed to keep separated our teeth upper and lower, so that they can be saved by the damage that is caused by the grinding of the teeth. And the second dental approach that we can do, when your teeth wear is so much severe that you are feeling sensitivity and unable to chew, then we do the one thing that is called the full mouth rehabilitation. In full mouth rehabilitation, we do one thing, that is we provide each and every tooth the full mouth restoration or the full coverage restoration, that is dental crown to each and everything after doing the root canal treatment.